Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Teacher Rolly Tagalog, and I would like to welcome you all to Education Sustainable Development. For today's topic, where we're going to talk about the synergy of birds. Yes, we're going to talk about synergy. Synergy is best explained as 1 plus 1 equals more than 2. Yes, because synergy helps you to realize the values of others. Aside from that, it will help you to find the right people, because synergy is a dynamic form of leverage. A transformational leader who is always willing to commit to creating a synergy of energy within their circle of influence. That's why I am very excited this evening to share to all of you the story of a geese and why geese fly in formation and how this relates to leadership. So, without further ado, I would like to share to all of you the wisdom of geese.
Great leaders don't set out to be a leader. They set out to make a difference. It's never about the road, always about the goal. Here's the 7 lessons we can learn from the geese, sharing a common goal. As each goose flaps its wings, it creates a lift and aerodynamics orientation that reduces air friction for the bird that follows. By flying in a V formation, the whole flock achieves a 7% greater flying range than if each bird flew alone. Lesson: people who share a common direction and goal can get where they are going quicker and with less effort, because they benefit from the momentum of the group moving around them. Make sure your team is aligned towards a common goal. Increasing visibility. Flying in a V formation increases the visibility, as every goose can see what's happening in front of them. The lesson here is to make our organizations visible in both bar chart directions. Having top-down visibility enables leaders to stay connected with the edges of the organization to make better informed decisions. Bottom-up visibility enables them to see the bigger picture, engage them, and empowers them to better align themselves with the organizational objectives. We have some match sets as skills. We will stay in formation, joining those heading in the direction we want to go. The sense of community emerges us with a willingness to work as a team. Not only is it more efficient, the flag together has better visibility of its surrounding. It's more visible as a collective. Having humility to seek help. When a goose falls out of formation, it suddenly feels the friction of flying alone, and quickly adjusts its state and moves back into formation to take advantage of the collective power of the bird engineering confidence. Lesson: be humble, to admit the challenges we face, to seek help as soon as we can stop. This humility will enable your team to move faster and achieve more. We have the sense of purpose. We will openly and confidently acknowledge we need help, gratefully accept the support that is offered, and try hard to stay out in front so we all no longer distance and needs. Empowering others to lead. When the lead goes in the front gets tired, it rotates back into the formation and allows another goose to take the leadership position. Lesson: empower others to also lead. Micromanaging and keeping tight control will burn you out. It will also distinguish and demotivate others around you. People have unique skills, capabilities, and gifts to offer. Give them autonomy, trust, and a chance to shine, and you will be surprised with the outcomes. Always recognizing great work. The geese hunt to recognize each other and encourage those up front to keep up their speed. Lesson: make sure we praise people and give them the recognition they deserve. Lack of recognition is one of the main reasons team members are unsatisfied at work and quit. It's very common for people's efforts to go unnoticed by their peers in a busy and fast-moving work environment. However, remembering constantly to provide recognition and encouragement is vital. keep things motivated to achieve their goals. Offering support in challenging times. When a goose gets sick or wounded, two geese drag out of the mission and follow it down to help it protect it. They stay with it until it dies or is able to fly again. Then they launch out to another formation or catch up with the flock. Lesson: standing by each other in difficult times. It's easy to always be part of winning teams. But when things get difficult and people are facing challenges, that's when your teammates need you the most. If we have the sense of a goose, we will stand by each other when things get rough, and we will willingly take the support and guidance that's an offer. Staying committed to core values and purpose. Geese migration routes never vary. They use the same route year after year. Even when the flock members change, the young learn to love from their parents. In the spring, they will go back to the spot where they were born. Lesson: stay true to our core values and purpose. Strategies, tactics, and products may change in order for an organization to remain dynamic, but great companies always stick to their core purpose and always preserve that with vigor. We have a sense of purpose. We will empower and recruit and pursue formation and create our team headed in the direction we want to go. We will stick to the plan until we succeed.
So you see, people who share a common direction and a sense of community can get where they are going quicker and easier because they are traveling on the trust of one another. And if we have the sense of a goose, we will stand by each other, protect one another, and sometimes make new friends who seem to be going in our direction. Good evening, everyone. Have a very wonderful day.